Hi everyone, this is Sheshe coming on to make this pretty card. I got a request from several subscribers who wanted me to recreate some of the cards from my Alina crafts haul, and I was asked to stamp out some of the images from the stamps. So I am coming on to do the video. So here I have this pretty card, and I used this rose stamp set from her store to make the background. And I did get like a few comments. One that really caught my attention was a lady from, I believe she's from South Africa or Africa. She said that she doesn't have pattern paper in her country and she just didn't know what to do. And I suggested, using stamps as backgrounds. So I'm just going to show in the video how you can really make your stamps go far by using them as backgrounds, to make background paper when you don't have resources. So I'm going to show, how I used that stamp set in the video, how I made this background paper. I'm going to watercolor. And I'm using this watercolor kit, is Koi by, I think it's Sakura. I think that's the name of the company. So I'm just going to watercolor some roses and leaves. And I'm also going to use this die from her store. It's Thanks, and it has the shadow. I'm going to use some vellum for the background, as you can see in the card. The vellum that backgrounds, the shadow of the word. And sit back and enjoy the process. If you need to know these they're Doreen beads that I use on the card, these little beads right here, I'll link those in the description box below where you can find them. They're just like little drops, like dewdrops that you can put on your card just to make it pop. So that's pretty much it. It's really simple. So I hope this helps to the subscribers who need to see the stamps, stamped out, and how I recreate the cards, okay? Here's the finished card. I think it turned out really pretty. I popped it up. Here's the original one that I did, and then here's the one that I just did with the watercolors. So super pretty. Okay, so thank you for joining me today. Again, I'll link all the products I used in the description box below. Take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.